See how much people are making per day. See, $6, $5. See, this is February 15, okay, 2025. You see, $5, $9, $12, $5, $27 per day, and $10 that people are withdrawing. This is not what they are. People are withdrawing per day. $38 and $5, $5 by just watching TikTok videos. Just by watching TikTok videos. If you are interested in learning these things from A to Z, so kindly watch these videos to the end. See, people that are not smart are making money than you online. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step, guys, on how to start making money for your TikTok videos. Okay, just watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any part of this video when you are trying to do your own. And if you try these videos and it work out for you, please come back to this video and comment on that comment section that it works for you, and I know that it works and it's legit. Okay, alright, I have been in my TikTok account now, so we are not creating video for ourselves. We want to use all those TikTok videos to make money. Okay, so what I need to do now is to go to the search button, then I will search for a viral video trend. Okay, click search for viral video trends. Okay, so if you scroll down, you will see some viral video trends. So let's check the one that I think viewers we really want to watch. Okay, let's go for this Valentine's Wala. Okay, so I think Valentine is trending now. So this is Valentine Wala. So what I need to do now is to copy the link. Okay, let's copy the link. Then click on the share icon. The share icon here, or the link. Okay, when I click on the share icon, see what it shows me. Then you see copy link. Then I copy the link. Now the link I will copy. So now let's go to where we are making money with our smartphone with this link. Okay, so let's move into the next steps. So guys, after we have copied the link, what you need to do next is to come to our notepad. Okay, then paste the link on your notepad. So what you need to do is to, you see, from the slash, and this post is shared via TikTok, you need to delete all those ones. Okay, you need to delete it, these ones. Okay, just delete it. So see what it remains now. So what you just need to do is to copy this link now. Let me select all, then copy. I've copied all this link now. So the next steps we need to do is to come to this website that I'll be showing you now. This is the website that we are going to use. As you see, I still have the current of $1 here inside this account. So what you just need to do now is to, the link that we copy in our notepad, you just paste it here. You see the link here, you can just give it. I say the video is Valentine Wala, so let's just put Valentine Wala. Okay, so what I need to do now is to click on shorten link. So what this thing is saying is now is that you need to post maybe like slash or anything before and after the Valentine Wala. Okay, so what I need to do now is to click on shorten link. Okay, the link will be shortened now. So what I need to do is to copy the link. Then I have copied the link. So the next things I need to do now is that we need to go to where I want this link to be shown to people that will be watching these videos for us, because we are not the one that will be watching this video. Or if you have time to be watching this video by yourself, you can do so. So guys, once you have copied the link that will shorten, okay, so what you just need to do now is to come to your social media page, any of your social media page. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, Quora, Pinterest, and any of your social media page. Or if you don't have much social media page, try to create all these social media page like Quora, Pinterest, LinkedIn, or Facebook, and then Instagram. Okay, so what you just need to do now is to come to your profile page, or if you have a community or groups, you can just go there and post the link inside. Okay, so let me just paste the link inside. I've pasted the link here. I don't need to do anything. What I need to do is just to click on the post, and once I post these things, let's see, you see this have been posted. It shows the picture itself, so you don't need to design a picture when it's come to the Facebook, or you go to your WhatsApp, post it on your status. If people are viewing it, then you start making your own money. Okay, So that's how you start making money, by people watching your videos. You are not the owner of the videos, but you are making money from that particular videos. Okay, so that's the steps. Guys, this is the website that I come to last times that we'll be using to make money. You see, shrink.me. Whenever people are watching the video that you post on your social medias and everything, without the link, you'll be getting your own money here, and you can withdraw at any time. See all the withdrawal. You can see withdraw here, and you can withdraw whenever you have up to $55, minimum of $5 on this page. Okay, so if you want to add your payment details, just come to the settings here. When you come to the product settings, you input your details. Okay, you input your details, and then you choose the withdrawal method that you like. You see, there is a lot of withdrawal here: PayPal, Binance Payout, Paye, Airtems, USDT, Paytems, PhonePe, UPI. So if you don't have any account of this and you don't know how to get it, try to comment under your comment section. Then I can provide a solution for you to start receiving your payment and into your local bank account. If you find this video helpful, kindly share it with others that needs how to make money online, so that they can benefit from these tools. Okay, try to share, like, and comment. Then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please kindly share, like, and comment, so that others don't miss these videos too. It can help others to start making money online. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay, so that you don't miss any update about how to make money online.